Hello and welcome to the Ospar protocol, presented and illustrated by Flo and Pussy. Ospar comes from Oslo and Paris Convention of 1972. The aim of this convention was to protect the Northeast Atlantic. First of all, you have to go to the field and find an accessible place to carry out the protocol. The sampling site should be 100 meters long or at least 30 meters. You need to find what is known as the beach wreck line. This is the place where the last tide was deposited. This is where you will often find wood, algae, dead organic matter, and of course a lot of waste. Once you have found the wreck line, you should make a general video description of the site and the activities around, such as restaurants, water sports centers, and others. Then walk along the 100-meter study area to roughly observe the waste. It is time to put your safety gloves, take the bucket, and collect any waste larger than 5 centimeters. You will also need to record all the rubbish you collect on your phone or on a blank sheet of paper. You can fill in the database later. You should collect the waste along the transect and no more than 2 meters from it. You also need to weigh them with a portable scale. After collecting the macro waste, you move on to collecting micro and mesoplastics. Using your quadrant, you collect all the plastic on the surface in a defined area of 50 centimeters by 50, using tweezers. Be careful to separate the meso from the micro plastic into 2 different containers. Remember to always make a note of each piece of waste, specifying its color, softness, and whether it's angular or spherical. The size differs between meso and microplastic. Mesoplastic is between 2.5 centimeters and 0.5 centimeters, while microplastic is under 5 millimeters. You should repeat the same procedure 4 times along the length of the line, trying to separate them by the same distance in order to get a real view of the pollution on the site. For example, we advise you to place your quadrants at 0, 25, 50, and 75 meters. Once all the plastic has been collected, you can dispose of the macro waste and return to the micro and mesoplastic. At home, open the Excel document BDD database and start filling in it. You will then need to take a picture of the meso and microplastic next to a ruler so that you can see their size. After filling in the database, don't forget to save it as BDD, site and number, and your name. Then send it to the following address, forlivingoceans@gmail.com. Thank you.